Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. I want to say thank you so much guys for, watching the YouTube channel, leaving your comments. And as you can see from the last couple of days, I've been doing a few salad recipe which I've been using from my salad bar to my juice bar channel, giving you some ideas and tips where you guys can make at home. Anyway, a quick update. Please request what you want me to make for this summer, because this summer is going to be a really hot summer. And if you guys want some, and you have some new recipes and new ideas and new things which is coming out now, which is on my other YouTube channel, which is Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, which I'm going to be releasing those recipes, really good recipe for summer, salad and bits and pieces, which I'm going to be releasing ready for summer. Anyway, I want to say I love you, every one of you guys, and you know what happened? The channel is growing really good. We have moment we got 6,000 subscribers, which is brilliant. And I want to take the time to say thank every one of you guys who subscribe, leaving your comments and watching my video. Hopefully we can do better in the future as we goes along with new recipes and new ideas, healthy recipe, weight loss recipe, and also juice where you can make at home. We and the kids them. Alright, it is summer, so we need to do something different. Alright, and I'm starting preparing myself, get myself ready and get myself in the groove. So new recipes, new ideas and new things which will be coming from Chef Ricardo very soon. Alright guys, more update, follow me on my cooking show, my YouTube channel, and as I say, follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe from Chef Ricardo on the team. So stay right there, don't go anywhere. Thank you so much for watching, and this is from Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. Bye bye.